Hello, fourth grade. This is Mrs. Dixon. We are working on problem number 8 of our review. I'm going to activate WebPaint and we'll get started. It took Savannah 15 minutes, and I'm going to, like I said, throughout the videos that you've been watching, I like to mark my text as I read. So it took Savannah 15 minutes to complete her math assignment. She read silently for 30 minutes. And she spent 12 minutes watching the science demonstration. After going on a walk with her family for 30 minutes, it was 11:10 a.m. And then it says, what time did Savannah start her work? So this is the end. I'm going to write end on it. Now, time problems can be a little tricky. This is elapsed time, and it can be a little bit tricky. I personally would probably add these times up and then use a timeline. So let me show you how to do that. 30 minutes plus 12 plus 15 plus 30. So I'm just going to make a column of these numbers and add them up and get the total time spent. Then we will work backwards. So notice I made a column of the numbers. I put my plus sign in. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Plus 3 is 8. So the total time she spent is 87 minutes. Now I'm going to draw a timeline. I know that in the lessons a couple weeks ago, we looked at a timeline and I showed you how to use one. And I really like to use them because it visualizes and it's a good way to verify. So let's label this 11. We're going to put tick marks in here. So there's 60 minutes in an hour. So I need 5 tick marks because the last one counts as 6. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. See what I mean? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This would be 12 o'clock. So there's 5 tick marks, but really 6, including the next hour. So this is 10 o'clock, and let's go ahead and do 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tick marks for 10 minutes each. So my tick marks are worth 10 minutes. We started at 11:10. I'm going to put a dot at 11:10 and label it. That way I don't get confused. Now we are going to jump back, and we'll just start with 80 minutes. We'll jump back 80. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I'm going to put a little dot there. Now I need to subtract 7 more minutes. Well, if I go one more, that's 10 minutes. So I'm going to have to back up 3. So this is 90 minutes right here. I'm going to write that down. And that is 9, 10, 20, 30, 40. 940 is 90 minutes. But I have 87 minutes. So I need to add 3 more minutes to make, I'm headed back this way 3 minutes, which would make 940 plus 3. And that equals 9:43. So my beginning time, my start time is 9:43. And I can verify that by counting back. I look at my answer choices. 10:10 was too little time back. 10:43 is an answer choice. So I'm going to cross out 8. 8 is way too much time. So this is my answer. A, 9:43. I hope that helps.